Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a detailed review of the new true wireless earphones from Oppo, the Oppo Enco W11. So Oppo Enco series has been really popular. We had reviewed the Oppo Enco M31 and also the W31 series in India. One was the true wireless earphones, the other one was wireless earphones. So both were really good in terms of the quality. Now we're going to do the detailed review of the Oppo Enco W11. It's another mid-range offering. This is priced around 2,499, that's 2,500 rupees. And first we'll do the unboxing. So we'll quickly unbox this, then we'll talk about the device, then we'll go into the detailed review of this device. So this is the box package. So you can see that the Oppo Enco W31, we have the white variant. So the earphones are available in the box as well. You can see the picture. Now looking at the specs, you can see that binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission, 20 hours battery life, enhanced bass, then you get noise reduction during calls, IP55 water and dust resistance, intelligent touch controls, and this has 8mm dynamic drivers. So that's the earbuds. So this price mentioned is 3,999, but it's actually only 2,499. So let's open the box package and we'll show you what all comes inside the box. So there you go. So opening up, you can see the Oppo Enco W11. So we'll just keep this aside. So inside you get this manual. So this is the manual, Oppo Enco W11 true wireless earphone start guide. So you can see that the touch area, the microphone, the charging contacts, and you get the microphones here, and the ear tips, and then the charging contacts are mentioned here. Type-C charging, then pairing, everything is mentioned. So let's see what else is there. So you can see the touch controls, pause and play is just a single tap, double tap is previous track, next track is double tap on the right one, left one is previous track, increase or decrease the volume, increase is press and hold, decrease is again press and hold on the left one, answering is double tap, and voice assistant is triple tap. So volume control is there, that's something which is good, which is not available in a lot of earbuds. Now you can see that this is the specification. So the codec is AHC and SBC, and this is 8mm dynamic driver, and the charging case battery is 40 mAh and 400 mAh charging case, 5 hours on a single charge and 20 hours with the case. So that's the wireless earbud. So that's all inside the box. Now you can see that there is a charging cable here. So this is the USB Type-C charging cable included. Then you also get additional ear tips included. So these are the additional 2 pair ear tips included with the box. So that's all inside the box. Now let's go straight into the review of the earphones. So this is the case. You can see it's a glossy case. You can see the Oppo branding as well. So this is Oppo branding, and if you open, you can see the earbuds. And here again, the material quality of the case looks pretty good. It's a glossy finish. You can see all round glossy finish. At the back, you get the USB Type-C port, and there is an indicator as well, LED indicator. Then the case looks quite handy. You can see that it's quite handy case. Now let's take these earbuds. So if you take these earbuds, you can see the charging case here, so it's charging ports. Now this is the earbuds. So let's have a closer look. You can see that there is the microphone included, then the charging the ports here, then the ear tips, and here again you can see that this is a glossy finish here. So these are glossy finish, and the inward portion is kind of matte. We have the right and the left mentioned here, and these are the tap buttons. So you can see this, in fact these are pretty compact ones. So it's very small and lightweight as well. Now first let's have a look at the design aspects. You can see that the design looks pretty good. It's a well built earphone. It's pretty lightweight, and you can see that the material quality also looks good. So we don't have anything much to complain here. These are kind of lightweight and kind of good looking design overall. You can see that the integration of the charging ports and the earbuds, everything looks pretty neat. Now the comfort levels, again we have been using these for like almost 4-5 days now, and we do not see any sort of issues while using for longer time because these are kind of comfortable. It fits your ears properly, and if you're a person using these for jogging or using on treadmill, we found that these were quite comfortable. It did not fall out from your ears, so they were quite comfortable, and overall the fit and finish and the comfort levels were pretty good on the earbuds. Now next, let's have a look at the features offered. So it comes with IP55 water and dust resistant capabilities, so that's something again which is pretty good. Then you also get Bluetooth 5.0 with 10 meters of range. The driver, as I said before, is 8mm dynamic driver, and the codec use is AAC and SBC, both are supported, so that's the detailed aspect. Now talking about the latency, we actually tried gaming with these earbuds. In fact, they're not really suited for heavy gamers, but for casual gamers these are quite good. There is a bit of latency, but again these are manageable. You can do some basic gaming or kind of decent gaming experience with the Oppo Enco W11. Again, as I said before, these are really not suited for Indian gamers or high-end gamers, so it's not that way suited. Now the max volume is kind of okay. We do not see any issues here. It was kind of adequately loud enough. Even when you're using with the highest volume, it was kind of really good. Now next is the call quality. Again, we tried attending a few calls with this. Again, the mic quality was good, even though this has a single microphone, unlike the other TWS, the STEM ones which have dual mic. These have single mics, and again the mic quality was good. We were able to accept all the calls without any sort of issues, and the person who were attending the calls also did not have any sort of issues, so that way it is good. Now next, the bass performance. Now these are Oppo says that these are bass enhanced earphones, but then we found that the bass to be adequate. It's not a really boosted bass or kind of a heavy bass, but still it's kind of adequate. But then but for people who actually looking for heavy bass, these might not be the best ones. Probably the Realme ones have better bass, but these are kind of adequate bass. We would say this kind of a user who would like to have bass along with the mids and highs, then these are good. These are not really suited for heavy intensive bass, but the bass performance again looks quite okay. Now unlike the Oppo Enco W31, these does not have the bass mode or the balance mode. These come with the regular option, no bass mode included. That is kind of omission, because both the W31 and the M31 did have the bass mode, so that is one thing which is lacking here. Now voice clarity, again the sound clarity could have been better. That's what we felt. The mids and highs, especially the vocals, could have been slightly better, especially when Oppo W31 and M31 provided really good vocals. This was kind of slightly disappointing, to be very frank. We expected slightly better performance overall, but still these are in bad though. We expected slightly better performance coming from Oppo, because both Oppo W31 and M31 were really good in terms of the sound quality. Now battery is like Oppo claims around 5 hours, around 4.5 hours is manageable, and total you can get around 18 hours is what 16 to 18 hours is kind of manageable. Still a very good battery life for the TWS. Now charging is again via USB Type-C port, so you get this charging case, so you can see the charging case, and it has USB Type-C port charging. Now the touch controls are also quite handy. They are accurate as well. You can triple tap for Google Assistant, double tap for to skip to next track, and press and hold for increasing the volume. And one thing we noted was there is also noise cancellation when you're using for calls. So you do get a basic noise filtration when using these for calls. So overall we feel these are kind of quite a decent offering at 2,500 rupees. The sound quality could have been a tad better, that's what we felt, but still they are quite okay for the price segment it is being offered. You can pick these from Flipkart. They are available for 2,499. We'll share the link in the description of this video if in case you plan to buy these earphones. So that is a detailed review of the Oppo Enco W11. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.